I'm Samantha. I'm from Huntington Beach, California. My major is Technology and Engineering Studies with a teaching emphasis. This is Skipper. Skipper is my service animal. She is with me 24/7. She goes to classes with me. She is known as my jobs and my major's mascot. I am a transfer student. I transferred from Cal State Long Beach. I came to Provo just to visit and explore the college before completely transferring, just to get a feel of the environment. And I thought it was beautiful. Some things I like to do in my free time, anything outdoors really. I love photography, so any opportunity I can to take pictures, I'm going to take. I love to find new craft ideas. Recently got into chunky blankets. My advisor is Alicia, and she is amazing. I like to overplan, and she helps navigate and calm my fears of something I'm missing. I would say my favorite class is with Shum. It was TES 340, so it is more on my major side. It was a lot of hands-on project base, but I did get to go outside and use solar panels to power a car or a trebuchet and launch it across the field. It was a challenge to move. I've never left home. I've always been in California, born and raised there. It was definitely different. Also cultural shock for me. I'm Mexican. This is very different culture for sure. I would say what has helped me a lot to feel like I belong. It took some time. I think that's why I fell in love with TES. Honestly, it did take me a year of being here to get there, but they made me feel like family and like I did have a purpose of being here at BYU. And my purpose was to find them, to build on the community already here at BYU and just even in Utah in general. Some advice I would give, especially for being first generation, is to find that support, find those resources, whether it's a math lab, helping with essays, or the advisement center. My go-to is definitely the professors. They know the deal, they know all the crooks and crannies of getting around and helping me find what best fits me. It's a huge accomplishment to have this privilege of going to school. My whole family has made it number one top priority. My family has made it number one top priority, and I appreciate all the help and support that they've given me, even miles and miles away. That it's such a huge accomplishment to soon be graduating and already hearing that they're planning on coming, all traveling, making it. Whatever they have to do, they're gonna make it work to come and see me walk across the stage.